बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम. This is Zimal Khan and I am from class 8. So, रटना नहीं समझना है. So, today we are going to learn exercise 4.6 question number 2 class 9 mathematics chapter number 4 factorization Sindh Board. So, the question we have is the concept we have is remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? A theorem used to find remainder without actual division is called remainder theorem. Okay. So we have also book answers. You can see it. It is all of the book and steps are here. We have to follow. So the question we have, I can read. Find the value of m if py polynomial equals to my cube plus 4y square plus 3y minus 4 and quotient we have equals to y cube minus 4y plus y. Leave the same remainder when divided by y minus 3. It means they already tell us they leave the same remainder when divided by y minus 3. So the main target we have in it is to find the value of m. Okay, the first step we have, find value of y first from y minus 3. What is y minus 3? It is actually our divisor and it is our dividend and it is our quotient. Yes, you know it about earlier. So y minus 3. As we know, after this it is a equals of sign and a 0. And we put it here, so it converts it into y equals to 3. We know what is the value of y here. Now, the second step, put value of y in polynomial y and qy and solve. It means in dividend, in quotient and then solve. So first we put it into dividend. What is the dividend we have? Polynomial y equals to m y cube plus 4y square plus 3y minus 4. We know what is the value of y, so we can put it here. P3 equals to m 3 cube plus 4 3 square plus 3 and minus 4. Simple. Then we write P3 and we can solve it. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. 27 plus 3 3 is a 2 times we have to multiply. 3 3 is a 9 and 3 9 is a 36. Oh, sorry, 4 9 is a 36 plus 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9 and then we have minus 4. Okay, that is when P3 m 27 we can subtract an addition from them. When we add 36 and 9 with each other, they form, I think, yes, 45, and when we neglect 4 from 45, it becomes plus 41. We find our dividend. Okay, now I have shortage of space, that's why I'm removing it. To find the quotient, now we also have to put the value of y in the quotient. Okay, so the quotient we have equals to qy equals to y cube minus 4y plus m. Now q, the value of y we have the same 3. The value of y we have 3 cube minus 4 3 plus m. q 3 equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 27 minus 4 3 is a 12 plus m. When we get minus 27, 12 from 27, it becomes 15 and plus 1 plus m, sorry. That is. We have find quotient, the dividend. Come to the next step. Equate both py and qy. Just I said I have a shortage of space, that's why I'm removing it. Okay, I'm not removing the answers because I have to written it. Equate. Why the first question we have, why we are equating it? Because in it the value of y is same and in this also we have the value of y is same. That's why we are equating it. Equate. Okay, so first of all, in equation we write P3 equals to, Q3. Now we are putting its full values here. Okay, P3 equals to, so we cannot, there is no need to write this. M27 plus 41 equals to 15 plus 1. I can write it, so I am removing it. Okay. Now, I have to solve it. So, I have to come there. I take 41 here to subtract with 15 and m here. Okay, so it becomes m27. So, it becomes minus m because there is plus 1. When we can take it in the left side of equals, so it becomes minus. At equals 15, there's plus 41, come there equals to minus 41. So when we do this, when 27 m27, and we can say 27m minus from m, it means there is a hidden 1 here. So we can minus 27 from 1 equals to 26m equals to, when we minus 15 minus 41 equals to minus 26. So we can take it here because both these are coefficient and this is constant. So m equals to minus 26 upon, because it is in multiplication form, when we put it here, so it becomes in division form. 26 1 26 1 26, m equals to minus 1. So this is the value of m we are finding. First of all, we have to check from book answers. Part 2 we are doing now. So m value equals to minus 1. So we are finding from these procedures. There are two. First of all, we are doing these steps, and from them we are finding it. So no like, no subscribe, only share. Thank you.